It's me, NYSEinstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Last day of trading for the quarter, last day of trading for September. And you know what? It was one of these odd days. This market has had probably the best quarter we've seen in the longest time. The market's here at 26,500. The S&P is at 2920. The Russell is right off record highs. Transports, give or take a little bit. Volume was 1 billion shares. Kind of a strange thing. I think the most significant thing we're seeing is a huge breakout in oil. Okay, it's happening all by itself. It's happening all on its own. 68 to 72 is sort of a level I thought. We broke through that. We sold off 69, 68, felt weak for a minute. They barreled them right back up there. So people are supporting that price. A lot of interest there. Tech got hit pretty good today, although you saw Amazon back up. Facebook, I think, took it down, and Apple back up. So there's an odd mix there. And at the end of the day, what seems to be significant about the end of this quarter is it was over the last week. 2 big sell-side days on Wednesday and Thursday. There had been rumors there were going to be $50 billion coming into the marketplace on the sell side. I don't know. If it came into the marketplace, there was a bid for it, okay? We did not see any sizable sell-off, a couple hundred points. Couple hundred points over the week on the sell side. But net we're closing it pretty, as we talked about before last week, Thursday, Friday. Record highs, a little consolidation, couple days of a light sell-off. At the end of the day, money changing hands into the end of the quarter, probably some profit taking. But the bottom line was there was bids for that selling, right? A lot of eyes and a lot of focus on the Kavanaugh hearings in Washington. They're going to delay that, so that's kind of off the table. Negative narrative about China's off the table. UN meeting of the world leaders was, a kind of a non-event in a lot of ways. We met with China, we met with Japan, we fought with everyone else in the world, and the market didn't really care. At the end of the day, I don't need to overanalyze this. We're going to see what happens at the beginning of next quarter, fourth quarter, after quite a great year. Significant buy interest comes in at the fourth quarter. It is an outperformer. And then again, you've got people who are closing out their books at the end of this quarter. So at the end of the day, whatever was for sale over the last week, coming into this market as a closeout for the quarter, as a profit taking for the quarter, there were buyers for it and the market did not sell off. Let's stick with that. Let's not overanalyze, and let's look again on Monday. Fourth quarter coming up. The world's an amazing place. This market never disappoints. I'm NYSEinstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Wirtschaft. I'll see you on Monday.